Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're exploring Linkin Songs. And when a word ends with a consonant and the next begins with a vowel, they connect. Let's listen to some samples and practice together. Ready? Let's go. 1. He passed his driving test about a year ago. 2. We haven't had a holiday since October. 3. They got married a few weeks ago. 4. They've been married for ages. 5. She hasn't been well for a long time. 6. He's been working here since about 2009. That's all. I hope you had a fun practicing and keep practicing and see you next time.